This marks the halfway point of today's episode of Chatfuel School, so let's take a quick recess. Yeah, man. Life was rough. Thousands of visitors. I thought they loved me, but my bounce rate, it was just so high. I felt paralyzed, trapped in my body tags. All these people needing help, but I just couldn't find it in myself to talk to them. Oh my gosh, hey. So I first met Web on a blind date, and the Grow Tab set us up. She's a mutual friend. Of course, I wore my bougiest jewelry and popped off from head to toe in red CSS. I know it sounds cliche, but it really was love at first HTML embed. You know, they say opposites attract, and it's totally true. Webb is shy. He couldn't talk to his visitors before. It's just not who he is. So naturally, I just started doing the talking for him. My bounce rate plummeted. My sales soared. I finally knew the meaning of true love. That handsome devil proposed to me with a 24-pixel diamond ring, and the rest, well, it's history. We now have 2 adorable kids, 1 girl, 1 boy, and trust me, they get their looks from their mom. Think about it. You're just 1 chat away from a better life. Make your website more social today with Chatfuel's Customer Chat web plugin. Spark more conversations with prospects and customers. And who knows, you might even find that special someone. One more thing before we head back to class. If you want 20% more Chatfuel users for free, then listen up. Upgrade your free bots to Pro by the end of today, May 20th, and we'll give you 20% more users for free.
Wow!
And who doesn't love free? Again, upgrade today and you'll get more bang for your buck. 20% more bang, to be exact.